welcome back to the Williams fam. So you have look at these two mad ones in here as usual. Pia and Mario. Good morning, guys. So they're literally here fighting early in the morning. Oh my goodness.
I want to eat his muffin. I'm hungry. I'll give you salt. Sour cream and onion chips.
Last night. So we're heading out.
I'm coming too, like this.
You're not going nowhere.
Just kidding. I'm gonna go in their bed.
Rissa is gone.
I woke up this morning looking for her.
Elva. Yeah, so she's gone for sleepover. I'm actually we're on our way out. Open the door, Faith. Turn off the light.
No!
What? Where am I go? You're bringing your stuff? Okay.
Look how clean down here is.
I was thinking about, hold on. All right, yeah, so we are heading out. I think I got a mini shoot to do today as well. So I got a client, I got to do a mini photo shoot for today as well. So I'm going out to go get that done. Because you know your girl is a hustler. Gotta hustle to get that money, that moolah. Oh my goodness.
Fish money.
I'm gonna wear these shoes. I wear my glitter. I'll wear these ones.
No!
Open the door, Faith. Faith, you're always wearing my shoes.
Man.
Don't listen to her. Alright, so we are heading out. It's like raining out here. Look at these two in the car. See how crazy you are?
You look at your special. Now I'm gonna actually eat it.
You're gonna say good morning to everybody?
Good morning to everybody.
See how fierce. Oh my goodness. Yeah, so it is gloomy outside. So we're getting a bit of rain off of the storm that's going on in the States. Oh my goodness. Did you guys hear about the guy from, I can't believe the main actor from the Panther, the Black Panther died. That is so crazy.
Cancer,
yeah.
Cancer.
He had cancer, but look at the role that he was playing though. Like that's a lot of, you know, jerk up his body, no, jerk up and stuff.
In 2016.
But you see, that's why it's so important that when you guys, I know y'all, the whole colon cancer, you guys get your prostate and stuff checked early, like, you know. And this is why I find that a lot of men, you guys end up dying and have a health problem, because for some reason men don't like going to the hospital. They don't like seeing doctors, right? But if it's something that you have to do, you can't look at it as, you know, it's health concern. So make sure, go get your checkup, even if it's once a year. You know, get your checkup. It's better to be safe than sorry, and maybe certain things can be prevented, because a lot of times people don't, well, males, you guys don't go and get yourself checked out as often as you should to see if you can catch something before it expands, like it get worse than what it is, right? Because even a lot of people with like colon cancer and prostate cancer, I know they're like, oh, they don't want nobody pushing up anything in their rectal or whatever, but if it's going to help to detect things faster, then just get it done, get it out the way. If you know there's cancer that runs in your family, get checked. Just like with women, it's for a woman to have like a mammogram and all that, get those stuff done and get it out the way. Because I'm sure if cancer run in my family and I know that, okay, I need to be getting checked, just like if diabetes run in the family and all that stuff, get it checked out early. Right? Because you know your body, nobody knows your body, and if you're feeling some type of way and you're unsure, go to doctor and get checked. But that was my little health tip for the morning. I always say it's better to be safe than sorry, but it's so gloomy. It's gloomy out, and it is starting to feel a lot like winter.
Stop.
What? Stop? I know there's a stop sign. It's starting to feel a lot like winter, so we're going out to go do some errands. Oh my goodness, time flies.
Time fly?
Yeah, I actually had a saying for you guys this morning and I totally forgot what I was gonna say. And it was a really good one too.
3 points, I know.
3 points. This one about in 3 points. So we have a point system. No, it's not 3 points for her. You get more for her because gosh, that's that. What is that game called? Where they run and they hit the they're like the granny drives and she like run people off the road. Oh my goodness. So yeah, I totally forgot about the stuff that I was gonna say. But if I remember, I will actually come back and still say it in the video because it was a very good thing. But I can't remember it. Oh, Snuggums. Oh, Rami, your neck. You sleep bad, Penny?
Yeah, feeling
You giant lodge. Yeah, but look at the way you've been sleeping. You've been.
What?
But look at the way you've been sleeping. How much pillow you sleep on? That is not good for your neck. You sleep on so much pillow, and every minute me have to tell you, wake you up to tell you to put down how much pillows. You sleep on so much pillow, and then your neck wake up crook, and that's the worst thing. Having a crook neck. Oh my gosh. I don't know. That is just tedious. Alright, so we've reached Costco, but the line looks, I guess everybody is doing their last minute back to school shopping and, well, long weekend shopping stuff as well. So, oh, that's not that. Go by fast. Yeah, because it's a long weekend, so. You see the little lady, her cart there, her little walker that blew away left her. Oh my. Yeah, so it's pretty packed. It's been a while since I've been at Costco. In and out. You have Christmas decorations out. Oh my goodness. And y'all know that's my favorite time of the year is Christmas. 'Tis the season to be jolly. Well, we don't know how jolly we're going to be this year, but well, as long as you have life, I say you should be jolly. You have life, health, and strength. You should be jolly. But in here looks packed. There's so much people doing shopping. Yes, me vlogging.
Can you hear me going? Are you vlogging?
Yes, I sure do.
What the trolley look like right now.
There, the empty trolley. I got the empty trolley for now. We'll see the damages later on. Huh? Oh Lord.
That means they are stressed.
Huh?
Welcome to back to school. Even if they're doing it online,
Or at home.
I still have to pack their little snack.
Oh Lord. What is this?
Huh?
$20.
Ryan likes that. The
They're
little,
20 pack.
yeah, the little bits and bites.
No.
That's the chocolate chip one, yeah. Sometimes they have a blueberry. Oh, this one. They can't bring that to school.
They'll be home anyways.
Colors.
They're home.
16 for
Almost packed, and we haven't even started shopping yet. Now we gotta go get another cart because this one can't hold everything. So now we have to go get 2 carts. But it is very busy in here, boy. But got to get, because I still need like toilet paper and paper towels and stuff like that I gotta get, and I gotta pick up another box of chips for the kids. So I definitely need this space. So I'm just here waiting. The first one still full, still stacking up over here. See, maybe that lady there? Oh my god. See? That's why man knows when woman out shopping. Mario said, "Where you going, Shan?" I said, "Oh, I'm just running to the store, Misuka." I'm like, give me a card. Right? Him not like, oh, you know, Memphis would like this cereal? I think he would, you know? Yeah, he likes stuff with honey. Stuff in it. Huh? I wonder if Mario would like them. I'm gonna get a pack. Oh my god. I thought I was done. Oh Lord. Okay. Yeah, I need to get out of the store. See, Costco do some bad things to you. Costco would make you spend money and have. Oh, the sweet and sour sauce. I made these with chicken wings and the kids them love it. Mario saying I like the way them they ketchup the taste.
The Hanes ketchup?
Yeah.
This is the only one other than...
You know the one? Finally. We are
That's what we
actually,
said 5 minutes ago.
I know. We know we said that and we end up picking up more things and putting in the cart. But we need to get out of here.
Yes. And we still have no frills to go.
Yeah, and we still have one more store to go.
This has
We
more.
definitely need to get out of the store.
This has more.
Yeah.
Because it has like...
Alright guys, so this is the trunk pack. We literally had to flatten down the seat just forget the thing. Just to get the stuff them in the car. What is it? With all the stuff them in here, you can't walk and open up the trunk and start sell food. Eh? Say in Jamaica they would just open up the trunk and start sell things out of the back. Oh my goodness. So we're in another grocery store now. Oh god. Mario is going to kill me. Like literally kill me, guys.
Well, I'll check the bill money.
Oh, you'll check for the bail money. Nice. That's nice. What when he kill me? Oh. So when he kill me, I go bail him out.
Oh, wait. I need to figure out...
Here. Oh gosh. You must be confused. All right. So we're in a different store, and here's the cart. Come back in the new store now, and look at this cart already. And we had two carts.
Bottom of the cart?
I know. We had two carts a while ago in the other store. And so this is the third cart in the next store. And all the stuff that's being picked up. See? I need to stop. Bad influence. Look at us. Okay, we are done. We need to get out of this store. That is it for shopping for the day. Too much things. Too much. I know. All one of them the cart that we need. See the damage? Alright, let's get out of here. Good morning, William fam. I'm actually on my way out. So Faith is actually going to be cooking dinner today. Yes, guys. So she will be cooking her first Sunday dinner. So, but me and hubby gotta head out. We have some running around to do. So, let the kids I'm in charge of that. Let me turn off the light. Morning. Really, babes? You're really... Are you gonna say good morning? You really turn up the music? Yes, you keep talking. Huh? Yes, you keep talking.
Go here disturb me.
Say good morning. Hello. Say good morning. Really, babes? Really? You can't say good morning? You can't say good morning? Oh my lord. You get holy for talking, don't you? Huh? You know, say you talking?
Tell me if I get talking.
No one know where Miss Cherry get you from. You get holy for talking.
Massa loins.
From if you're sure Massa loins. Oh gosh. At the salon. I haven't been to the salon in a while. Yeah, been a long. We're at ice cream store, about to eat. Yes, let's line up. That's the place. Oh, look at these. They have China. Oh, I'm going to show you guys how they make it. Oh, this should be so neat.
This is different.
Oh, I like this drawing on the wall. Pretty. Oh, here's a process. Oh, look at this, guys. So this is how it's made. It kind of reminds me of Tutti Frutti back home. So I assume that thing is like cold. I say man is a pro. Say a pro. So this is how they make it. Oh, and it's all ready. And this is mango flavored. Ooh. Mango flavored. Looks good. Looks delicious. Yeah. Oh, the other one's making the other one over there. Yeah. Okay. Now what is that drizzle? Drizzle stuff. Oh, and it just rolls it. And it's frozen.
It must be mustard.
Yeah, of course. It has to. And we're on the final one. Oh.
Do you want me to pick the topping or you want
Pick the topping, I guess. Pick the topping?
Yeah, do you want me to pick it or
Yeah, you pick it. Alright.
Oh, you don't have any. Okay, so you okay with the coconut mango jelly?
Yeah.
Okay. They're the same. They're the same. Okay. Mango. If I get that, can I get the mango? Yeah, okay. Oh, but I wanted the waffle.
So I'm getting something.
And that.
And they're putting awesome sauce on that bad boy.
Normally I get the waffles on it.
Okay. Yum, yum, yum.
Yum, yum.
Say Mario's missing out on the festivities. Alright guys, so we just got our ice cream. Well, yes. And it's, well, I've never tried it before. It's the first time I'm trying it. So we'll see how it goes. Oh my goodness. And it's mango. Tastes good. Ooh, the balls are edible too. Tastes good. Reminds me of Tutti Frutti in Jamaica.
I see a lot of people just going there.
Yeah.
Like on a Sunday after dinner. You just come down and get your.
Like a cute little place to go for a little date or whatever. But it's a really good guy. It's nice. But I'm gonna tune out because we're gonna go eat this bad boy. So we're home. Long day and I'm about to eat. Bobby's over there eating. And Faith cooked her first Sunday dinner, guys. So I know, and she vlogged it, so definitely you guys will definitely see that video. But I just came to close off the vlog and to say good night. I hope you guys had a blessed day. I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to tell a friend to come and join the Williams family, where it's always a vibes over here. So I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your night, and we will catch you all in the next one. So stay blessed, guys.
First I know this is really love, cause baby I'ma feel the love. Me need more than a single. Is it too soon to say I love you? Cause girl I do. I know those words are few, but I'll show you. Cause everybody needs somebody.